Hey, what's up? This is Jay Hilkson. This isn't really like my normal set. I found out something cool today. This is just your normal mixer, right? If you can make noises, check this out. With just the mixer itself. I have the main input hooked to my speaker in the aux. I have the aux send plugged into channel 1. I'm serious, dude. This is awesome. Check this out. That's pretty cool. Wait, look. That's sick. Every knob like does a different thing. This thing has like a lot of presets and stuff. Sound like a bird. Whoa! Whoa! What the? Sounded like it. That's crazy. How? I get it. Do it again. See what the trim does. Dude. That's so crazy. I'm gonna stop for now. That's it for now. That was kind of cool. Subscribe for more. I thought this was freaking awesome. Here's what it is. This is what it's hooked up to. Crazy, isn't it? Hang on. Whoa. Peace.